this channel where we spread love and positive vibes. I want to start by thanking our new subscribers and our returning subscribers. We value you, we appreciate you, we thank you so much. You are the real deal. Now today I want us to go through the streets, the rivers, the enjoyment sites of Jamaica as a country, and we see Jamaicans doing what they know the best. You know, from sports to enjoyment to the culture to the food to the music, Jamaicans are the real deal. They do it with a lot of excellence, with a lot of love. Whatever they put their hands to do is done in a very classic way, in a very excellent way, in a very composed way, and in a very team-spirited way. Now, guys, I want us first to go through some of the activities that were being done by Jamaicans in the video that I'm going to portray. And you're going to see Jamaicans doing what they know best. And I'm going to start with a video where we see Jamaicans conquering the world through their athletics, through their fast moves, through their, how can I describe it, guys? Through what they know how to do it best, athletics. We are going to watch these young ladies of Jamaica running the 4 by 400 meters. And in this race, we are going to see a lot of confidence, a lot of determination, a lot of desire to do excellent. And that is characteristic of the Jamaican people. And you're also going to see a lot of teamwork in whatever these girls are doing. And each and everyone being passed for the baton does what she's doing the best. In other words, they do it with all their hearts, with all their minds, with all their soul, with one thing in common: to win, to be the first, to lead, to conquer. Those are the people of Jamaica for you. Before I preempt you, kindly watch the video and see the spirit of the Jamaican people as they do what they know best.
Feel so different. Baby, tell me, how did you get so?
She's got the baton. It's Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price. It's Jamaica all the way. Jamaica first across the...
Now, guys, when you looked at those girls' faces, their faces were showing a lot of determination, a lot of desire, a lot of pride in their nation, a lot of eagerness to win this race and put Jamaica in the world map. There is a lot of excellence in the way they pass their baton, in the way they learn the race. So determined, very hardworking, with all their might, with all their power, with all their energy, with one thing in their mind: to be winners. And this is what Jamaicans are. They are excellent in what they do. They are hardworking. They are determined. They don't lose hope. They are the first in whatever they put their hands to do. We can see how these girls start their race from the beginning to the end. It completely illustrates the characteristic, the belief, the culture, the love, the desire of the people of Jamaica. And in the long run, they emerge the winners, because Jamaicans were not born to lose. They were born to win. And that is why we see in everything they put their hands to do, there is enjoyment, there is desire, there is eagerness, there is love, there is a smile on their face, knowing that whatever they do, they are going to come out as winners. Guys, let us go to the next activity, and I want us to watch this lady who is a Jamaican, and she's being interviewed. And she was asked, what are Jamaicans best at? And she has mentioned the food, which we have mentioned very many times. She has mentioned dancing. She has mentioned the culture. So all these, Jamaicans are very, very proud of who they are. And this lady is actually a very good illustration of the love Jamaicans have for their country. The way they market their country to every part of the world. The way they believe in themselves and they know they are the best. You cannot convince them otherwise. When this guy was asking this woman some questions, she was so confident that she didn't think twice to answer the question. She answered food, culture, dancing, the obvious things, and girls. She talked about girls. And it came out of her so naturally, because that is part of Jamaica. It is part of their culture. It is part of their living. It is part of their day-to-day life. And therefore, just have a look at the girl, then I'll come back later.
So, what country are you from?
Jamaica.
What's the best thing about that country?
I would say food, culture, dancing, and the girls.
Can you name me 3 top foods from that country?
I would say roti and curry go, cow foot, soup. I don't eat that though. Patties.
Give a message for people that haven't been there.
That you need to go there. What if you have the money? Because it's expensive.
I'm sure you can see the belief and the faith and the trust the people of Jamaica have in their country. By the way, if you ask somebody else, what do you love or what is good in your country? They'll first say, but this woman did not even pause a second to answer the question. She started immediately because it's something in her. It's something born. It's something within that every Jamaican knows they are the best, believe they are the best, believe they are conquerors. And that is why we find Jamaica in the front line in all what they do. Guys, we are not yet through. We are going to go through Jamaica, and you're going to believe at the end of this video that Jamaicans are the best in whatever they intend to do. They work together. They love one another. They love their country. They stand for their values, their culture, their traditions, their food, their music, their everything. They can stand tall and declare they are Jamaicans. They can stand tall and say their food is the best. They can stand tall and say their music is the best without even a shadow of doubt. Now, I want us to see again teamwork in Jamaica. Here we are in the Spanish Bridge in Ocho Rio. And there is this crowd that is having the best of their time. And there was this woman who could not be able to take off to jump the bridge. And this guy assisted the woman to be able to jump over the bridge and enjoy themselves. And you could hear the crowd cheering the woman and encouraging her and telling her, you can make it. This is the spirit of the people of Jamaica, encouraging one another, not putting one another down, telling each other, we have you at our back. We can uphold you. We are with you, and you can make it. This woman was able to jump over Spanish Bridge because of the encouragement, because of the assistance she got from the man. And this is the team spirit in Jamaica, that they make sure everybody enjoys the activity. Everybody has fun. Everybody is happy. everybody is smiling. Even when they are having their great time, they still think of one another. They still support each other. They still encourage each other. They still push each other to success. That is the kind of people Jamaicans are. And that is why I say we cannot lack something to talk about Jamaica each and every day. Because every day, Jamaican people amaze us. They inspire other people to join hands and encourage one another without putting each other backward. This woman, if she was in another country, I'm sure she wouldn't have jumped over the Spanish bridge. Because the discouragement, the body shame she would have gotten, would have discouraged her to jump over the Spanish bridge. But the encouragement she got from this gentleman, the encouragement she got from the crowd, made her to go over the Spanish bridge. Every day in life, we need someone to push us. We need someone to tell us you can make it. We need someone to uphold us and take us to the next level. That is how Jamaicans are able to succeed, because they are able to hold each other and push each other to success, and push each other to victory, and push each other to the next level. And that is what we can see in this video. Guys, we are not yet. But before I go to the next video, let us watch how these people encouraged this woman, and this woman was able to jump over the Spanish bridge.
Yeah, lift him up.
You know, one thing I love about Jamaicans is the joy they have, the spirit of positivity, the spirit of happiness. You can see that all this crowd, they are enjoying themselves. They are having a great time. They are actually having fun. And they want everybody to have fun with them. And that is what they did to encourage this woman. Let us go to the next activity. Now, the next video is on the warm welcoming of the people of Jamaica. We are going to see this gentleman who is selling jerry and other fruits. And we see already a tourist comes to the site, and she asked the man, "Can I buy jerry?" And the man was so full of smile, so welcoming, so gentle, and he cut the jerry for the lady and offered her together with the straws so that she can enjoy herself. Apart from that, he gave her a jackfruit free of charge. This illustrates that Jamaicans are the greatest people in the universe. They are very warm, they are very welcoming, and they are very generous. So apart from the jerry that this woman bought, she was given a jackfruit, and she was told to taste it, and she could actually feel that it is so good, and she actually praised Jamaica and talked about the beauty of Jamaica. So this is another video to show us how Jamaicans do what they do the best. This man is just a businessman, but you can see the kind of attitude he has, the energy to welcome, the smile on his face. It tells you that this man can do that business very well because of the good nature. And this is so natural with Jamaican people that you don't strain to welcome other people. You don't strain to be warm to people. You don't strain to be generous to people. Just like this guy, he is acting so naturally to actually give this lady the jerry, and after that offer her a jackfruit, and also be how can I describe it? so happy until, or rather full of positivity, until this lady was also enjoying each and everything this gentleman was doing. So kindly watch the video and then you can come and summarize.
Can I buy a coconut?
Yes.
How much is a coconut?
This one is for 4 bills. Like,
4 bills. Okay, cool. 4 bills. So like 400 Jamaican.
Yeah.
So what are you gonna do to it?
something like this.
Oh,
You want what?
oh my God! You just had such a big knife. Gorgeous.
Yeah,
All right. Can I get a straw?
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, like fresh street coconut. Thank you. Thank you. This looks so good.
Nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my God, it's so good. Great. Yeah, it's perfect. Absolutely perfect. And what's this?
Jackfruit.
Jackfruit.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
You want to taste it?
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah, this one. Yeah, it's jackfruit.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
Nice.
Thank you.
Yeah. First time I said that, so make
All right,
sure you're all right. You know what I mean?
I'm just loaded up. All right, thank you. Bye-bye.
I'm sure you have seen the energy in this gentleman, the positivity in this gentleman, the welcoming nature of this gentleman, and the generosity of this gentleman. These are the people of Jamaica doing what they know the best. Even in business, these people, you cannot actually fail to buy from them, because the smile alone will call you. The smile alone will invite you. You cannot resist promoting such a person, because he has shown a lot of kindness, a lot of humility, a lot of positivity that you cannot fail to buy to him. And that is one of the characteristics of the people of Jamaica. And I want to think that all these combined together make Jamaica the best, make Jamaica beloved, make Jamaica to be the best tourist attraction area. So guys, you can see Jamaica doing what they know best in this video, and I will leave you to enjoy. See you during the next video. Bye bye and God bless.